Hello, my name is Amina. I'm 16 years old and my current level is upper intermediate. I am using IELTS and General Alumni. Since I've been studying English for almost 4 years, I studied at different courses and centers, but Juzstudent was the most effective for me. First, discipline. We had checkups every week to track our progress. Since we have checkups, we will have a guarantee for our result. You have to know that opportunities don't happen, you create them by your own. So by knowing English, I create a lot of opportunities for myself, and first is being future Flex finalist of year 25-26, and the second one is international internship in IDP IELTS Center. Family and friends. I found all of friends here, my teachers, my group mates. I love them all.